Hi traders, today is 12th of August 2019. We are now live trading crude oil day trading WTI NEWCOMER September contract 2019. So in this video I will show you how I do scalping during US session. Time now is 9 past 9 New York time, and we are searching for a good position, maybe for bullish position. So because I'm expecting there's a huge candle here, as you can see, at the beginning of US session. So in this video I will do scalping. I will show you how the setup being done every day, and also I am sharing this inside my Telegram channel, so you can join in. There's a link in the description. Okay, now we are looking for entry. Okay, we are looking for a good entry from our setup. Maybe in the next 15 to 20 minutes should be one appear. So let's have some patience while waiting for the good signal to come out. So the price might go on the bullish side, maybe, but during the session there is somewhere here bottom short sell signal, but not triggered. So now we are in the US session. It's good for scalping. It will be a quick and easy one. So just keep watching the volume, how the volume react. So there's a high volume waiting at 54.90. This is quite special. 54.95 and 55.00. This is a common price level. Always got a high, but the main focus now is 54.95 and 54.90. So there's a tendency for the market to go to this direction, but at this moment I didn't have any signal to buy into the market. I have to wait until it is confirmed, then I will write in towards this price level. Okay guys, there's a possible entry at 88, somewhere here. So I'm searching for the market to go for a bullish. Still waiting. Now it's 9:23 local time New York in the morning. So maybe in 2 minutes time we can confirm there will be entry, and this entry will be at 56.88, I guess. So let's wait. Okay guys, we have a confirm. Okay, we are queuing at 54.84, targeting somewhere here for a bullish movement. Let me enlarge. I also already sent out my signal 54.84. This will be the scalping US session, so you can join this live signal. Please find in the description below. Okay, we are in the market, so I'm targeting to exit the market at 54.98 or 99. So let's take a look on the volume. There's a high volume at 54.90, 54.95, 54.98 and 55.00. This will be interesting. So let me enlarge the price or the chart. Okay, this one looks nicer. Oh. Okay, in the market positive, looks good. This is first trade today, US session scalping. You can see there's one red candle, so there's high volume waiting on the upper sides. This moment 54.98. It's quite a huge number. 54.99. 55.00. Hope this price will be pushed to the upper side. So the stop loss should be somewhere here. Okay, market just about our entry price. Just here, 54.84. Let's wait. In 5 minutes then we will see maybe a big movement. So let's take a look on activity log. So I did enter my entry at 9:26. This is local time. My local time is 12 hours ahead of New York time. So in New York should be 9:26 a.m. in the morning. So I'm expecting to close this position maybe in less than 10 minutes. So let's wait and see. Okay. So now back to positive. Okay. Back to red. It's too heavy at this moment my laptop. Still in minus. Break even +2. There's still high volume waiting at 55.00, 55.98. So we are now $100 in profit. So this is US scalping day trading. It should be fast. Now back to the negative territory. While waiting, please subscribe this channel and like, share, comment for anything. And there's also a link in the description below. Might be helpful for you guys as a day trader for crude oil market. I have to invent a setup for my US session scalping, and as you can see there's a lot of this video in my playlist, and you can take a look to review, and it's all live, and also my Telegram channel also live. At this moment we are in the negative territory. 100 minus 100 US dollar. We have been in the market for 7 minutes now. Okay, something's kicked in. Let's see on the volume if there is any changes. Still no changes. Okay, another 1 more minutes. No, sorry, this is time frame 15 minutes. Should be about 11 minutes. Need to be careful. I have to exit if the price fall back to 54.61. It's quite a tragic price movement at this moment. So now looks good in the positive territory, or break even, just about that area. It's gonna take some time. Maybe the volume is too much. Maybe a lot of retail traders do small taking property, or HFT, high frequency trading from the robot. I'm not sure. Need to be careful. Okay, we are in the positive territory. 46. Okay guys, any moment I'm expecting for the price to jump to the target profit area. This is a scalping day trading strategy for crude oil market. I do it every day during US session, and I will not hold longer for any position, only few minutes for 250 to 400 US dollar in profit, or sometimes 600 US dollar in profit. Well, looks good at this moment, so we are 180, 160 US dollar in profit. You can keep track here. Now 200, 240. Now we exit at 240. Okay, the price spike. Uh, quite interesting. Quite interesting. So the price go on the higher side, but as you can see, I'm targeting only a small profit because I do scalping during US session. I think 200, 280 in profit. Okay, should be enough. Although the price go about double double current profit, but it's okay. I'm expecting for a scalping strategy for during this session. I only scalp based on my daily target and for my daily income. Okay guys, that's all for today. I will close my chart, and please don't forget to subscribe, share this channel or this video with your mates or friends. There's also a link in the description if you're interested to get a live trading signal. Okay guys, good luck. Bye bye.